2004 996 Carrera 4S. Definitely the best Porsche under 40K. I'll give you guys a quick cold start. It's not that loud, it has an exhaust on it. I'll give you guys some revs in a bit when I take it on a drive. It's still dirty, don't mind the wheels. But these are 996 turbo wheels, if you're familiar. Dirty as hell though. Alright, so we're going a little drive. Like I said before, this is a 996 Carrera 4S. Manual, of course, 6-speed, beautiful Porsche 6-speed. It's kind of bumpy. I got my phone propped up. You wouldn't even believe how I ended up. This car is NA. I had an E92 M3 before this. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. It's mad loud in here. Put on my seatbelt. I had an E92 M3 Le Mans Blue. The car was fun, loud, but this feels 10 times better, which is weird to me. For the same price too. The best manual driver, so I don't need any hate, you know. But I'm pretty okay, pretty decent. Actually, nah, I'm nice. Can't even hold you. But the reason I say this car is the best Porsche for 40K or under is because it literally is 40K or under, and it's a Porsche. You hear that? God, oh, I almost missed there. I told y'all. This Camaro, bye-bye. Right now I think I'm gonna take a cruise by Fort Tyen, Story Parkish, see how this handles. Comes another demon. Yo, it's so windy outside. Oh my god. Ready for the Rev Match the Third? We hit traffic, of course, right? Oh my god. This is why I hate New York. What are you looking at, lady? Drive your shit. Bro, as I'm filming. What the fuck? Oh, nah. That's crazy. That's why you pay attention when you drive. Oh nah, what? Uno, dos, tres, Maco. Okay, since we got past that crazy accident, that was actually insane, bro. That Challenger was totaled out. Anyways, this is why I really think this car is the best bang for 40K. For a Porsche, at least. You get the sound, you get the transmission. and it looks amazing, bro. I'll take this over E92 any day. I mean, it's a close comparison, in my opinion. Well, I'm kind of Porsche biased now, but, you know, we're gonna put that into the picture. This car has 320 horsepower and it feels like 400, which is just mind-blowing. Handling is crazy. Well, this one's on suspension, but it's a little bouncy. Coming around the corners is just great. You can switch lanes, still feel planted. And it's a 2004 car. That's crazy. These E92s are 2010, 2011, 2009. I don't know, man. I think this is...
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Oh, no. Waze, why are you talking to me right now? You don't see me recording? Well, this car really does blow my mind every time I drive it. And just to think it did 8 minutes and 45-ish seconds on the ring. For a 2004 car that's still busting some cars' ass nowadays. Just feels great. It's planted everywhere. See if we got a little open road. Go to third. Oh, was that the feds? Definitely not. I think I'm gonna pull over at the park and